What's up, guys? Mr. Hadnot checking in with you. Hope all is well. This is another part in a series on this Scion XB I purchased from Copart, Houston location. It's a cold, chilly day in North Texas, but I'm still gonna get the job done and get at it. All right. So today I'm working on the stock steel wheels, and this is the process I do to make them look better and dress them up until I purchase some aftermarket rims that'll dress the car better. The products I'm using today is Rust-Oleum High Performance Enamel. You can get this at Home Depot. And Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer. And a fine, not a coarse, a fine wire brush you can purchase at Home Depot or Harbor Freight. I just purchased this at the Harbor Freight in my handy dandy Makita tool here. All right, so number one, take the car off the, not the car, but the tire off the car. I put some painter's tape around the stem, valve stem, and make sure you have eye protection because this stuff will fly off, okay? Trust me. And some gloves. Use some welding gloves I use. So let's just get started on that, and I'll turn it back on for you. All right. Took some hot water and a rag and some Dawn Platinum dish soap. I'm just wiping this down, and then I'm gonna set it out in the sun and let it dry before I put this rust reformer on it. Just one coat of that and 2 coats of the high performance enamel, maybe a 3rd coat. This right here is the center cap. It's the part number, Napa part number. Right here. 7302411. Comes 2 in a box. Goes on like that. Alright. So, or just go to your fence section at Lowe's or Home Depot. While we're waiting for the paint to dry on the wheels, I opened some packages from eBay and Amazon. This first one is the LED lights that go in the front fenders. All right. I'll put the link in the description. This one came from eBay. This welding kit, I purchased this from Amazon. Comes with the wire, the rods, the brush, extra tip, and then also this piece right here, the iron. I already used this for the back bumper. The back bumper, it's like $300 at the dealership, and the junkyards I've been to, all the XBs were hit from the back. You can find the front bumpers all day long. So for 50 bucks on carparts.com or the junkyards, I was able to purchase my parts on Facebook Marketplace for pretty cheap. They were, the tabs were broken, but it was something that I needed at the time. And like I said, I had no luck with going to the junkyards. So I didn't mind purchasing the soldering kit I needed for future projects anyway. So it was a good buy. I think it was like 15 bucks. And that's about it. Also, I purchased this piece right here. It replaces the bracket on the XA, Echoes, XB, and Yaris. It's supposed to be a lot better. This one came from eBay. I think it was like 30 bucks. It's adjustable alternator bracket tensioner hem joint. So you type that in and it should come up. This is the seller, Ray Wood AVE. So it's something that XB owners especially should purchase. All right, guys, this is the final result. One coat of rust reformer. So all you need is one coat for rust reformer, and then 2 coats of then Rust-Oleum gloss, high performance. All right. Now this one I found out this is this one don't match the other 3. This is a universal wheel. You see the extra holes. So I'm gonna go get another steel wheel from the junkyard for about 10 bucks and paint that, and then take that tire off of that old one, the one in the junkyard, and put this Yokohama on there. And the next time I'm gonna take these off, I'm waiting on my stickers. I know that they're rusty in the back. I'm waiting on my stickers so I can paint and put the Scion stickers on the brake calipers, okay, and the brakes. And then I'm gonna have to go and change out some suspension parts, like these shocks here. So I'll probably do that at the end of this month. Ordered that from 1AAuto.com. That's where I usually order my stuff from, 1A Auto. So far it's looking good. I'll show you my plastic welding. I still have to do the body work on it, but the plastic weld, the holes, I'm gonna have to sand it down. And did the tab here, the broken tabs right there. It's nice and strong. And another thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a washer right here and melt that washer in there. So you're gonna have this problem here with braking. So that's about it. You see inside, put that mesh in there, melt that mesh in, and put some of that plastic welding rod in it. All right, God bless, take care, stay woke, stay motivated, and help someone along his way in this journey called life. Hadnot and Sons, we get the job done. Hadnot out.